As we begin this meaningful celebration, let us be reminded of the words from the book of Proverbs, chapter 22, verse 6. Train up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it.
May we call on Kiara Aquila Abdal, K2 learner, to lead us in the opening prayer.